Welcome back. We have some more eggs that we have found. These are just random ones as we've gone, out and about around London. They don't really come in under any category. So yeah, we just put them into one video and we'll chat about what we can see. Make sure you get the app, download the app. There are rewards as you go around. So make sure you keep an eye on it. As you collect some, it'll ping up on the app to say, hey, you've unlocked a reward. Go and check it out. There's loads of competitions, discounts, free goodies. So make sure you get the app. But yeah, I love going around like St. James's Park and Buckingham Palace. I met so many people, chatting to so many people. Yeah, it was good. It was a beautiful day out. And the weather's still great. So make sure you get out and about if you're in London and go and hunt all the eggs down. I'm hoping I can get the last few that I am missing. But I'd have to go back up another day. Not sure when yet. It might be finished before I get the chance to get back up. But hey, we got 115 out of 120. The other ones that were out were broken. The other ones that weren't out, were broken in transit. So they're still doing repairs. I'm not sure when they'll be out. So yeah. So what have we got coming up here? We have this one was in a really random location, but it was good. And then you got the blue dog. That was really cool. This one had no name. You can name it. I think it's already been named now. This was 70. This is one for the Queen. That's not with us. There was a protest here, so it was difficult to get some shots on this one. And then we go down by the Thames and then over towards Tower Bridge, I believe. There it is. There's a Tower Bridge one. Tower Bridge? No, Tower London. That's the one right there. And then we go on to this cool one here. I did take a funny photo. If you check my social medias, you see me a funny photo with it. This one, I was like little googly eyes that have been sprayed. Yeah, so thank you anyway. Drop a subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Mirror, mirror.